Okay, students, in our previous video we had seen question number 1. Now that is now this is exercise 11.1, question number 2. Your question says construct a triangle of side 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter and 6 centimeter. Okay, we have to construct a triangle of side 4, 5 and 6 centimeter, and then we have to draw another triangle with ratio 2/3. Okay, as the corresponding sides of the first triangle. Now we have to give the justification also. Justification I will give it to you afterwards in the solution that you will have to write. I will just draw constructions over here with you. Now construct a triangle of side 4, 5 and 6 centimeters. See, we will first take base of a triangle. Base of a triangle, you take the value which is of greater length. Okay, so that is our 6 centimeter. So we will take base of 6 centimeter first of all. So take base of 6 centimeter. Up to here it is 6 centimeter. Okay, this is our base of 6 centimeter. Now after that you will have to divide this in the ratio of 2/3. Okay, means you have to make another similar triangle which is of 2/3, and then after in 2/3 you will have to divide that. But before that we will have, see, this is 6 centimeter. We will have to draw two more sides, that is of 4 centimeter and 5 centimeter. So first side of 4 centimeter, so take your scale, measure 4 centimeter in your compass. This is 4 centimeter, put it at A and mark an arc of 4 centimeter. Then again measure 5 centimeter in your scale. Put it at B and mark an arc of 5 centimeter from here. Okay, then join these two arcs. This is your triangle. This is 5 centimeter and this side it is 4 centimeter. This is 4 centimeter. Okay, now next what you have to do is you have to divide this in the ratio of 2/3. So make an acute angle first of all. Okay, we are making an acute angle. Now see, you have to divide it in the ratio of 2/3. Okay, that means you have to do partition. How many partition you will do? See, this is 2/3. That means it will be 0 point something. 0 point something. Okay, so your value will come, whatever the triangle, new triangle will form, it will form inside of this triangle. Okay, if this value is greater than 1, then whatever the new triangle will form, it will form outside of the triangle. That sum we will do afterwards. First of all we have to do this. So whatever your value will come, it will come inside of your triangle because this value is less than 1. So 2/3 it is. So whatever the thing you are having bigger, whatever the value you will have bigger over here, that many parts you will have to do. Okay, so here we are having 3 as our value which is bigger. So take your compass again, measure any arbitrary length in your compass and mark arcs on AX. So this is A1, then A2, A3. Okay, 3 arcs we have to make. Now after making this arc, what you have to do is you have to measure. See, it is whatever the new triangle will form, it will form inside. Okay, so mark A1, A2 and A3 Then join A3 to B. Okay, join A3 to B. After joining A3 to B, you will have to take arc again from A3. So put your compass at A3 and make an arc. After making arc, same compass you have to put it on A2 and take an arc. Now measure the angle of this arc. Okay, put that same angle over here and mark. Now join this A2 with this way you have to join. This is your new triangle, so mark B dash over here. This is B, so this is B dash. Okay, now mark B dash. Now same way you have to take your compass again, put it at B, make an arc at B, same way put it at B dash and take a arc at B dash. Okay, now measure the angle of your arc, that is from here to here. This much is the angle. Put it on the new arc and cut this angle. This is your angle. Now join it with B dash. And give them name as, see, this is A, this is B dash, so this will be C dash, and here it will be C. So this is your triangle ABC, and the new triangle is A B dash and C. This way you will have to make your triangle. See student, now exercise 11.1. Question number 3. Your question says, construct a triangle with sides 5 cm, 6 cm and 7 cm, and then another triangle whose sides are 7 by 5 of the corresponding sides of the first triangle. You have to construct a triangle with sides 5 cm, 6 cm and 7 cm. So first of all, we will take the side which is of greater length as our base. So that is 7 cm, and then you have to construct a new triangle of fraction 7 by 5. Okay, this is the triangle you will have to construct in corresponding parts. Now first of all, you will have to make a triangle of sides 5 cm, 6 cm and 7 cm. So first of all, we will take our base as 7 cm because that is the highest value in this. So take a base of 7 cm. See, this is AB of 7 cm. Then you will have to make a triangle of 5 cm and 6 cm sides. Okay, so measure 5 cm in your compass. This is 5 cm. Put it at A and make an arc of 5 cm. Now measure 6 cm in your compass. Put it at B and make an arc of 6 cm. Now join these two lines, that is B to C. This is of 6 cm and here it is 5 cm. Okay, now triangle we had to make it out. Now you have to divide this thing in the ratio of 7 by 5. Okay, now how you will divide? See, we are having 7 by 5, so the greater value is 7 over here. So we have to make an acute angle first of all and divide that acute angle into 7 equal parts. So make an acute angle with A, that is AX. Okay, we have to make an acute angle. Mark AX over here. Now we have to take our compass again and you have to cut 7 equal parts at ray AX. So take any arbitrary radius again and cut 7 equal parts. This is first. Put it on 1. You will get second. Put it on second. You will get third. Put it on third. You will get fourth. Fifth you will get sixth and seventh. Okay, mark A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, A7. Okay, now your ratio is 7 by 5. Okay, so you had chosen the higher value and divide that value in this ratio. Okay, now what to do? Then what you have to do is, this is 7 by 5, so your value will be 7 by 5 is greater than 0 or less than 0? It is greater than 0. Okay, it is 1 point something, so your value will be 1 point something. So your whatever the triangle will form, it will form outside of your measure triangle. Okay, that means this is your triangle ABC. Now whatever the new triangle will form, it will form outside of this. Okay, in our previous sum, whatever the triangle is forming, that triangle was formed inside of this triangle. Now this triangle will form outside of this triangle, that is of triangle outside of triangle A, B and C. Now how to form this triangle? First of all, see, you are having 7 by 5. So join this A5 with B, because whatever the new triangle will form, it will form outside. So we will have this A7 point outside of it. Okay, so we are joining A5 with B. See, join A5 with B. Now take your compass again. Take any arbitrary radius in your compass and put it at A5 and make an arc. The same arc you have to make at A7 without changing your radius of the compass. This is your arc. Now measure the angle at A5. This is the angle. Then cut this angle at A7. Now join this arc with A7. This way you have to join your arc at A7. Now mark this point as B dash and extend this line also. Now same process you will have to follow over here also. Take your compass again, measure any arbitrary radius and put this over here and make an arc. The same you have to put it on B dash and make an arc. Okay, now measure this angle of your arc. This is the angle. Put it over here and cut it out. Now join this with B dash. Extend this line also. this is your C dash. C. So this is the construction you need. Okay, this is the construction of 7 by 5 measure. Okay students, exercise 11.1, question number 4. Okay, question number 4 is, construct an isosceles triangle whose base is 8 cm and altitude 4 cm, and then another triangle whose sides are 1:1 by 2 times the corresponding sides of the isosceles triangle, and give justification for your construction. Okay, we have to construct an isosceles triangle whose base is 8 cm and altitude is 4 cm. See how to construct an isosceles triangle of base 8 cm. First of all, you have to take the base of 8 cm. So take a scale and measure the base of 8 cm. So this is 8 cm. This is AB of 8 cm. Now see, after taking base of 8 cm, we have to draw an isosceles triangle. So you have to take a perpendicular bisector. How to take perpendicular bisector? By taking more than half of your given line. So put your pointer at A and take more than half of your given line. So this is more than half. Now take one arc upside and one arc down of the triangle. Okay, then without changing your measurements, put your pointer at B and then again cut an arc. Okay, now join this two arcs with a line. This way you have to join. Okay, now this is your exact half. So now what you have to do, mark your point C and join B to C and A to C. Okay, see, this is your 4 cm, this is also 4 cm, and this two sides and this side, it is same. So this is your isosceles triangle. Okay, which is having same sides. Now what to do? Now you have next, that is, and then another triangle whose side is 1:1 by 2 times the corresponding sides of the isosceles triangle. Now again you have to make a new triangle of ratio. See, you are having mixed fraction, that is 1 by 2. Okay, so you have to convert it into improper fraction, that is 2 1 is 2 and 2 plus 1, it is 3. So your improper fraction will be 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 is 1.5, which is greater than 5, which is greater than 1. Okay, so your new triangle will form outside of this triangle. So again you have to go with the same method. See, now we are having 3 by 2 as our ratio. So your bigger value is 3 over here. So make an acute angle. This is your acute angle. Okay, this is your acute angle. Now again take your compass and mark 3 arcs over here. So this is first arc, this is second arc, and this is third arc. Okay, mark AX over here, and these are your 3 arcs. Mark them as A1, A2, A3. Now you are having 2 in the denominator, so join this with 2. So this is A2, join A2 with B first, because your triangle will form outside of this triangle, so you have to join it inside. So this is A2 with B, we had joined it out. Now again take your compass, measure any arbitrary radius, and by putting it at A2, cut your arc this way. Similar arc will cut A3 at A2. Okay, now measure this angle of arc. This much is your angle. Now cut this angle by putting it on A3. Okay, now join this with A3. This way it will come. Now extend this line also here. Okay, this is your line that is extended. Now this will be B dash. Okay, similar manner you will have to place your pointer at B. Take any arbitrary radius, make an arc. Same way, make an arc at B dash also by taking any arbitrary radius. Okay, now you have to measure this angle. Cut one arc over here by measuring that angle, and then extend this line. Extend this line to meet it at C dash. So this is your C dash and this is your required construction. So this way you will have to make your constructions. Okay, this is question number 4 of exercise 11.1. Now steps and justification, I will send it to you that you will have to write. Now question number 5. Now student, next is of exercise 11.1, question number 5. Your question says, draw a triangle ABC with side BC is equals to 6 cm, AB is equals to 5 cm, angle ABC is 60 degree. Then construct a triangle whose sides are 3/4 of the corresponding sides of triangle ABC and give justification for your construction. Now first of all you will have to draw a triangle ABC of side 6 cm, 5 cm and an angle of 60 degree at angle B. Then you have to construct a triangle whose sides are 3/4 of the corresponding sides of triangle ABC. So first of all take the largest value as your base. So we will take BC as our base of 6 cm first of all. So draw BC of 6 cm. Draw BC that is of 6 cm. This is B and C of 6 cm. So this is BC of 6 cm. Then you will have to draw next, according to your question, you will have to draw AB of 5 cm. Okay, so measure 5 cm in your compass and make an arc of 5 cm. This is 5 cm. Now measure from, by putting it at B, you will have to make an arc of 5 cm. Okay, now this is an arc of 5 cm, but you don't know where is your point A. So for making sure where is your point A, you will have to draw an angle of 60 degree, because in our question it is given that angle ABC is of 60 degree. So take any arbitrary radius in your compass, put your pointer at B and make an arc semicircle. Now by putting at the corner of your arc make an angle of 60 degree. This is your 60 degree angle. So join this angle with angle B. Okay, this is your 60 degree and this is your point A. Now join your point A with C. This is 5 centimeter and this is 6 centimeter. So this is your required triangle ABC. Now after getting your required triangle, you will have to make another new triangle of ratio 3/4. See, this triangle is in the ratio of 3/4. Okay, that means the value is less than 1. This is 0 point something. So whatever the triangle will come, it will come inside of your major triangle, that is inside of triangle ABC. So first of all, 3/4 is the ratio. So 4 is greater in this. So make an acute angle BX over here. This is your acute angle and cut 4 equal arcs. This is first arc. This is second arc, third arc and fourth arc. Okay, mark it as B1, B2, B3 and B4. Now your triangle will form inside, so join B4 with C. Okay, join B4 with C. Now same procedure as we are doing. Take any arbitrary radius and cut an arc. Same arc you have to cut it on B3 because we are having 3 in our ratio. So cut an arc by putting at B3. Okay, now measure your angle at B4. Put it on the pointer on the new arc and cut an angle up over here. Okay, now join this with B3. This is your new point as C dash. Okay, now after getting this, put your pointer at C and cut an arc. Again put the same pointer at C dash without changing your measurement. Cut an arc. Now measure the angle of new arc and give a cut at new arc. Okay, now join this with C dash. So this is your A dash. So this is your required triangle A dash BC. This is your new triangle which is inside of the triangle ABC because the value is 3/4 which is less than 1. Now question number 6 and question number 7 you will have to perform. In question number 6 you will have to draw a triangle ABC with BC is equals to 7 centimeter. Take base as 7 centimeter, angle B as 45 degree and angle A as 105. Okay, so 105 we cannot draw. So take area of triangle. Sum of all interior angles of a triangle is, okay, let me do it. Okay, exercise 11.1, again question number 6. See, first you have to take base of 7 centimeter. So taking base of 7 centimeter, This is your base and it is given you have to strictly take BC of 7 centimeter. Okay, this is your base of 7 centimeter. Then after finding base, you will have to draw an angle B that is of 45 degree. So how to draw 45 degree? Put your pointer at B, take arc of any radius, make a semicircle, then without changing the radius, put it on one corner of the arc, mark angle 60 over here, then by putting on angle 60, mark 120, with that mark one arc above, and by putting on 120, mark another arc. Okay, we want 45, means half of 90 we want, so 90 we don't want, so do it this way, dotted lines. Okay, now we want 45, so measure this arc. This is 45 from here to here. Okay, this is 90, so we want half of it, that is 45. So measure this by taking more than half, take more than half of this. Okay, I am taking this much, mark one arc over here, then put it over here and mark one arc over here. So this is your 45. Now join it with B. This is your 45 degree. Okay, now after getting 45, you want angle A, that is 105. Now 105 we can't draw it with compass. Okay, so what to do? Don't draw it with compass, just find out another angle. See, we know that in a triangle, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is 180 degree. We know this thing. Okay, so what to do? Angle A is 105, you know, that is given. Angle B is 45, is, you know. Angle C you don't know, that is. Now 105 plus 45 will be 150 plus angle C, that is equals to 180. So your angle C will be 180 minus 150. This will give you 30 degree. So we can draw 30 degree with the help of a compass. So I am drawing angle C of 30 degree over here. So again take any arbitrary measurement, measure angle 60. Now see, 30 is half of 60. Okay, so we don't want 60, we want 30. So measure half of it. How you will do half of it? By taking more than half. Okay, so measure more than half of this. It is more than half of this. Now cut one arc over here, then put it over here and cut one arc over here. This is angle 30. Join this. This is 30 degree. Okay, now this is what? This is 45. So this is automatically, if you will measure, it will come 105. This is your A. Okay, so your A is 105, B is 45 and C is 30. Now after getting these things, you will have to draw your construction. Now see, your construction is 4 by 3. So this I am leaving on you people. 4 by 3 is this. So make an acute angle, take 4 arcs. Okay, because 4 is the largest value to, so take 4 arcs over here, B1, B2, B3 and B4. Then join B3 with C, because this is 4 by 3. So your value is, this is 4 by 3, yes. So your construction will come outside. Okay, 4 by 3. So it will come outside. So this is now for you in your homework.